Hey guys, my name is Star Wallace, and I want to thank you back for coming back to my video. Just a little quick information update just to give you some tips about my company here. Yes, MyEcon. It is a real company. You see, it has A plus rating on the Better Business Bureau. So just to let you know, you're changing your life with a certified company, good company. You know, these are just the things that make my econ great. Like I said, we've been around for a long time. We've been around for a while. And we are definitely here to income shift. We are definitely here to change people's lives all the right way and affordably. So when you're investing your money, just know that you're investing your money into a company that's certified, not just no random company out here trying to take your cash. No, they're giving you the information that you need to change your life, to change your finances, to change your circumstances. So I'm going to put some information down below. There's no need to keep putting this off. There's no need to keep putting it off. I want you to take a look at the website. I want you to contact me. I want to give you some more information about the back office. That's when it gets really good. Again, I'm Star Wallace. You be blessed, and I'll be back soon.